YOLO everybody, it's the man, the myth, the legend, Quad MFT here, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys actually a video with some Black Ops 2 gameplay, but we're going to be talking a little bit about Call of Duty Ghosts. So the reason why I really chose to talk about COD Ghosts today was it's something that's really been going on a lot. Now the fact that I'm going to PAX Prime, it's really going to be something that really seems like I get to spend a lot of time with, I get to actually interact a lot with. So I wanted to talk a little bit about this, you know, kind of inform you guys. By the time you guys are watching this video, I'll be at PAX right now getting vlog footage, interview footage, all these different little things that I'm trying to get for you guys just to be able to improve my channel just for a little bit for you guys. You know, I like dedicating a lot of time to my subscribers. I like putting a lot of effort in, but the first thing that I'm going to be talking about today for the topic of Call of Duty Ghosts is I'm gonna be, you know, it's kind of gonna be a little bit awkward talking about COD Ghosts when talking about what the next COD killer is gonna be. So you know, there's going to be a few different opportunities for things to overcome, and I think the main opportunity right now for the thing to come to really come over the Call of Duty empire is the new consoles coming out, being the PS4, the Xbox One. I don't know if they're going to have a Wii 2 or something like that. I doubt the Wii 2 will really make too much of a difference. I mean, if you guys are Wii fans, I don't really mean to offend you, but come on guys, step up your console game, get an Xbox, at least get a PC or something like that. But I really want to say it could be so many different things. It's probably not going to be an RPG. If you guys know what RPG stands for, it stands for rocket propelled grenade or role-playing game, excuse me. But you know, it's definitely not going to be a single player game, so we can kind of rule out RPG, but maybe an MMORPG, you say, something that's got still the same atmosphere of an RPG, but it's kind of massive multiplayer online, hence that's what MMO stands for. So it's either going to be, I don't really think it's going to be an MMO at all. I don't think it's going to be like something like RuneScape or World of Warcraft or something like that, and I also don't really think it's going to be a little simple game like Candy Crush. You know, we all hear about those games on the iPhone and the Android and the BlackBerry and all these different things like, oh, there's this new Candy Crush game. You know, you always see these apps being advertised and stuff like that, but I really don't particularly think that a small little game like Candy Crush is really going to make a huge difference in the Call of Duty community, a huge difference in the gaming community at all. I mean, maybe in casual gaming or something like that, but you know, you don't really see something like that knocking down the huge Call of Duty massive multiplayer, online multiplayer. I just said multiplayer 3 times in a row. That was an accident, but please forgive me for that, guys. I was kind of, I don't know, I kind of get in this zone where I keep on commentating and I keep on talking and I don't even realize what I'm saying. I just kind of keep on going, trying to entertain you guys. But tell me down in the comment section below, what do you think will be something that will be able to knock Call of Duty off of its empire? Hopefully you guys did enjoy this. This has been, you know, a Sunday commentary that I thought would be, you know, kind of quick and kind of short, but kind of get this idea into your guys' heads. So excuse me, guys, this isn't a word. I just said guys. Get it into your guys' heads. I know it's kind of hard to get out of saying that. You know, it's a lot of people, even I caught my honors English teacher saying guys once, and I was like, oh, you're an honors English teacher and you just said guys, and that's not even a word, man. Come on, bro. Actually, she's a girl. I don't think she's a bro. I hope she's not in. She definitely doesn't look like a bro. But tell me what you think, again, down in the comments below. What you think will be the thing to be able to knock Call of Duty off of its empire. I mean, we can't predict the future or anything like that, but I want to know what you guys think. I liked interacting with you guys. And if you guys like interacting, you know, overall just interacting with me, seeing what I like to do, seeing my little adventures that I like to go on in life, me tweeting you guys and all stuff like that. But follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook. All links in the description below. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. It's been your boy Quad MFT, and I'll see you in the next video.